Namaskar, and once again welcome to our channel Nishi Say Learning. Today we are going to see the next chapter, the second chapter of 6th standard semester 1. So let's begin. So what is the chapter name? Akashah Patati. What is it? Akashah Patati. Akashah. Okay, everybody knows Akashah. Akashah means sky. Okay. Okay. So Akashah means everybody knows it is sky. Patati. This is something new for you all. Patati. Patati means falling. Patati means falling. Akashah patati. Ekam vanam asti. Now let's begin with our chapter. Ekam vanam asti. क के ऊपर ये जो छोटा डॉट आप लोगों को दिख रहा है उसका हम लोग प्रोनाउंसिएशन करेंगे हाफ म. दैट इज हियर व्हाट इट इज रिटन. नो हाफ म. दिस हाफ म वी विल pronounce. This is full ma, and ये is this small line below ma is half ma. So we will pronounce this dot over ka as ekam. Ekam vanam asti. Vanam, here also it is half ma only. Okay. Ekam vanam asti means there is a one forest. Ekam vanam asti. Ekam one, वनम फॉरेस्ट, अस्ति मतलब है. ओके. सो एक जंगल है, एक फॉरेस्ट है. तत्र. तत्र देर. तत्र मीन्स देर. In my first two videos, if you see, I have explained everything related to Varnamala of Sanskrit. So before beginning with this, please go through those videos. You will find it very easy. Okay. There, शशकः निवसति. तत्र शशकः निवसति. आप लोगों को ये पढ़ना आना चाहिए, ऊपर से ये लिखने को भी आना चाहिए. So first of all, try to read this, try to understand what they have written. Therefore, I am explaining you word by word. Tatra. Tatra means there. Shashakah. Shashakah, here rabbit. Shashakah means rabbit. Tatra shashakah nivasati. Nivasati means living. रहना. In that forest rabbit is living. वो forest में rabbit रह रहा है. तत्र शशकः निवसति. शशकः शयनम करोति. शशकः again rabbit. शयनम means sleeping. Take your notebook, a pen, and write down all these words along with the meanings. Okay. Or you can simply take a screenshot of what I am teaching as well. Shashakah shayanam karoti. Karoti. Okay, karoti is also a verb here. Shashakah shayanam karoti. There, who is sleeping? Rabbit is sleeping. Okay. Then what happens? Paranam patati. Patati means falling. Paranam. Paranam means leaf. Paranam patati. Here they have shown. Paranam patati. Leaf falls. Shashakah bhitah bhavati. Shashakah rabbit. Bhitah. He got scared. डर गया वो. भीतः भवति मतलब जैसे ही पत्ता गिरा उसके ऊपर वो डर गया. ओके. सो वो डर गया तो वहां पे तो नहीं बैठेगा, तो उसने क्या किया? शशकः धावति. व्हाट रैबिट डन? शशकः धावति. धावति started running. धावति means he started running. एकम वनम अस्ति. तत्र शशकः निवसति. शशकः शयनं करोति. पर्णं पतति. शशकः भीतः भवति. शशकः धावति. Okay, cleared up till this? Shrugalah agachati. Now Shrugalah. Shrugalah means fox. Shrugalah, fox. Fox is always chatur, wise. Okay, labad. Agachati. Agachati means fox came. Okay. Sorry. Shrugalah agachati. Shrugalah agachati. एक सेकंड. आगच्छति. श्रुगालः आगच्छति. आगच्छति मतलब आना, is coming. Okay, so fox is coming. आगच्छति is coming. श्रुगालः बताया था मैंने, is fox. Okay, then what happened after fox came? शशकः वदति. fox आया तो rabbit ने कुछ कहा. What rabbit said? वदति means कहना, बोलना, to speak. शशकः वदति, बोलना. यहाँ पे स्पीक लिख. ओके. श्रुगाल भ्राता धावतु आकाशः पतति. श्रुगाल भ्राता धावतु आकाशः पतति. हे ब्रदर फॉक्स, रन, स्काई इज फॉलिंग. श्रुगाल भ्राता. भ्राता मतलब आप लोगों ने सुना होगा रामायण महाभारत जैसे माइथोलॉजिकल सीरीज में वो बोलते हैं भ्राता. भ्राता मतलब ब्रदर. ओके, भ्राता मतलब ब्रदर. श्रुगाल भ्राता धावतु. धावतु, धावती है यहाँ पे एंड यहाँ पे धावतु, ये थोड़ा रिस्पेक्टफुली. धावतु. आकाशः पतति. आकाशः पतति इज द नेम ऑफ आवर चैप्टर. मैंने बताया स्काई इज फॉलिंग. सो फॉक्स ब्रदर या ब्रदर फॉक्स, प्लीज रन. आकाशः पतति, स्काई इज फॉलिंग. शशकः धावति. श्रुगालः अनुधावति. सो रैबिट स्टार्टेड रनिंग. श्रुगालः अगेन फॉक्स अनुधावति. अनुधावती मतलब उसके पीछे वो भागने लगा. जैसे ही रैबिट भागने लगा उसको देख के उसके पीछे ये फॉक्स भी भागने लगा. अनुधावती मतलब उसका पीछा करना या फिर अनुकरण. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि आई एम कॉपिंग हिम, उसका अनुकरण कर रही हूँ, तो अनुकरण. तो वैसे ही अनुधावती. धावती, ये धावती यहाँ पे एक्शन है. धावती मीन्स रनिंग, तो उसका अनुधावती, उसके पीछे वो भागने लगा. सो अनुधावती, उसके पीछे वो उसके साथ भागने लगा. ओके. वानरः आगच्छति. वानरः, वानरः मंकी. मंकी आगच्छति. आगच्छति, आगच्छति आई हैव टोल्ड द मीनिंग. श्रुगालः आगच्छति. अभी और एक कौन कैरेक्टर आया अपने स्टोरी में? वानर आया. वानर मतलब मंकी. कौन आया? मंकी आया. वानरः आगच्छति. वानर, मंकी is coming. Okay, agachati is coming. Vanarah monkey. Shashakah vadati. Same he will tell to now monkey. Shashakah vadati. Rabbit बोलने लगा. Rabbit started speaking. Vanar bhrata dhavatu akashah patati. Now the same story or the same sentence he told to monkey. Vanar bhrata, only the character name has been changed. First उसने किसके साथ बात किया? श्रुगाल के साथ बात किया, उसको श्रुगाल मिला. उसके बाद उसके साथ कैरेक्टर किसका एंट्री हो गया? वानर. That is monkey came into the picture. So he said, brother monkey, प्लीज रन, आकाशः पतति, वानर भ्राता धावतु, आकाशः पतति. Okay, it's very easy to understand. Okay, now let's भीतः शशकः धावति, भीतः शशकः धावति. इसका मतलब क्या? भीतः, आई टोल्ड यू कि शशक तो वैसे भी स्केर्ड था, तो अगेन ही नाउ ही इज स्केर्ड, सो ही स्टार्टेड रनिंग. शृगालः अनुधावति, वानरः अपि अनुधावति. मतलब उसको देख के शृगाल भी भागने लगा, वानर भी उनके पीछे भागने लगा. ओके. सिंहः आगच्छति, सिंहः, शेर, लायन, द किंग ऑफ द जंगल. सिंहः आगच्छति, लायन इज कमिंग. सिंहः वदति, सिंहः वदति. शशकः किमर्थं धावति, सिंहः वदति. शशक किमर्थं धावति मीन्स सिंह ने, लायन ने क्या बोला? शशक किमर्थं धावति, वो किंग है, उसने पूछा why are you running, किमर्थम, why are you running. शशक, उसने किसके साथ बात किया? रैबिट के साथ. what he asked rabbit, rabbit why are you running, किमर्थम, कशासाठी. ओके, किमर्थम, कशासाठी. शशक किमर्थम धावति, why are you running, what is the reason, why are you running. ओके. शशकः वदति, सिंह भ्राता धावतु, आकाशः पतति. Same he said to the lion. सिंह भ्राता, brother lion, please run, sky is falling. सिंहः वदति, आकाशः पतति वा, कुत्र पतति. But lion not followed them. He is the king of the jungle. He asked them, Akashah patati va, means sky is falling. Is sky is falling? Is sky falling? Kutra patati? Where? Kutra means where? Okay, kutra means where? Simha vadati, Akashah patati va, is sky falling? Okay, it is a question mark, interrogative sentence. Kutra patati, where? Kutra patati, okay, where sky is falling, where it is falling. Okay, Shashakah Shashakah gacchati, Simha anugacchati. There we have seen धावती अनुधावती. नाउ हियर इट इज गच्छति अनुगच्छति. मतलब रैबिट उसको प्लेस वो दिखाने के लिए गया, उसके पीछे लायन ने भी उसको फॉलो किया. गच्छति जाना, टू गो. ओके, सो गच्छति सिंह अनुगच्छति. लायन also followed rabbit to see where the sky is falling. शशकः वृक्ष समीपम आगच्छति. शशकः रैबिट, वृक्ष समीपम. वृक्ष मतलब ट्री, समीपम मतलब नजदीक आना, आगच्छति टू कम. तो रैबिट, वेयर द लीफ हैज फॉलन, एट दैट सेम प्लेस रैबिट केम. वृक्ष समीपम रैबिट आगच्छति. ओके, मतलब ट्री के नजदीक रैबिट हैज केम. सिंहः वदति, कुत्र पतति आकाशः. लायन, what lion said, कुत्र पतति आकाशः, where the sky has fallen. आकाशः. ओके, कुत्र पतति आकाशः. शशकः किमपि न वदति, सिंहः हसति. शशकः किमपि न वदति, न वदति मतलब कुछ भी नहीं बोलना. मतलब शशकः ने, रैबिट ने कुछ भी नहीं बोला. किमपि, नथिंग, न वदति, नथिंग ही सेड. ओके, सिंहः हसति. Lion started laughing. See, they have shown in the picture how the lion is laughing. शशकः पलायनं करोति. Lion started laughing, and what Shashakah did, what activity rabbit did? Shashakah palayanam karoti. पलायनम करना मतलब भाग जाना. पलायनम. Shashakah palayanam karoti. Rabbit ran away. So it's a very simple, interesting story. They have given pictures along with it. Okay, so once again I will tell you the story. आकाशः पतति मीन्स स्काई इज फॉलिंग. एक फॉरेस्ट है, उसमें रैबिट सो रहा है. रैबिट है, फॉक्स है, मंकी है एंड लायन है. रैबिट इज स्लीपिंग. पर्णम पतति मीन्स अ लीफ फॉल. He thought, rabbit thought that sky has fallen, so he told everybody. He himself got scared, and by that he told fox, he told monkey, as well as he told lion also, that sky has fallen. But lion is king of the jungle. He is very smart. He asked where sky is fallen. So he took the lion to the same tree where he was sleeping, but there was nothing, and so he ran away. Who? Rabbit. So how many characters are there in the story? There are total 4 characters: rabbit, fox, monkey, lion. Shashakah, Shrugalah, Vanarah, Simhah. Okay, so I hope you understand the story. Put the habit of reading, writing. They have given us here glossary words. Shashakah, patati, भीतः, भवति, श्रुगालः, आगच्छति, वदति, धावतु, अनुधावति, किमर्थं, कुत्र, किमपि, पलायनम. विशेषः they have given किमपि. उसका संधि विग्रह किया है किम प्लस अपि. Okay, so these are the glossary words. You need to learn by heart them, that what is their English meaning. They can ask in the exam that write the English meaning of it. Then pronounce the following words. Here in my PDF it is written in Gujarati, but I have the textbook. It is in that it is written in English only. Exercise. What is the first question? Pronounce the following words orally. मतलब हमें इसका सिर्फ उच्चारण करना सीखना है. Only orally we need to pronounce them or speak them. First is shashakah, second is bheetah, third is agacchati, fourth is vanar bhrata, then anugacchati, and then last is vruksha samipam. Vruksha samipam. Okay. So this was the first question. Now let's move towards second question. It is, look at the picture in A and their names in B, then join them properly. So इसमें क्या बताया गया है कि A को देखो, मतलब in short we have to match them. They have given the pictures of the animals and in the B column उनके नाम दिए गए हैं. तो हमें पिक्चर को उनके नाम से क्या करना है? मैच द फॉलोइंग करना है. इट इज वेरी इजी. ओनली दिस इज नॉट इंग्लिश, इट इज संस्कृत. सो यू नीड टू बी familiar with the Sanskrit words. I hope you have been now familiar with the whole story, so it is very easy now. So what is first one? Okay, yes. First is rabbit. रैबिट को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं संस्कृत में? शशकः. सो यस, फर्स्ट का क्या आएगा? ये वाला. आई विल राइट इट, आई विल शो. सो यू हैव टू मैच द कॉलम. शशकः, देन ये वानर है. मंकी, मंकी मीन्स वानरः, वानर भ्राता है ये. नेक्स्ट, ये तो लायन है, सबको पता है. गिर का राजा सिंह. देन फॉक्स. फॉक्स को क्या बोलते हैं? श्रुगालः. ओके, पेड़ है, पेड़ मीन्स वृक्षः, जो बचा है वो ही वृक्षः, सिंपल. So these are the solution of your second question. Now let's move towards second ka B part. Look at the picture in A. Let me clear this first. Okay. Okay. So I have written the solution for you all people. First is Paranam Patati. Second is Vanarah Anudhavati. Then third is Shashakah Dhavati. Fourth is Shashakah Palayanam Karoti, because lion started laughing at him. Then next is fifth one is Shrugalah Vadati. Fox started speaking. And the last one is Sivah Agachati. Okay, so I hope you like the story, enjoyed my session. So start practicing, start reading this chapter, try to practice it more. Okay, let's meet in the another session. Till then, Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Bharatam. Bye bye, take care. Subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Thank you.